For more information, especially about the package's M Sport and Design Pure Excellence, please visit bmw.com/7 Series.
The voice control system is significantly enhanced and has a natural language understanding. It uses both onboard and offboard services. The offboard service must be activated once by the user in order to allow the system to connect to the server of the service provider, Nuance. To use voice command, press the iSpeech button on the steering wheel and speak your command in simple, natural language. Find me the nearest Starbucks.
Starbucks Coffee, Woodcliff Lake.
For navigation, you can say, take me home. If satellite radio stations are displayed, you can speak the station name, such as 80s on 8. To recall a satellite radio station while in another menu, such as navigation, use the command names Station 80s on 8 or Satellite Radio 80s on 8. To make a call using your Bluetooth connected phone, say, call John Smith or dial number 555-1212. This enhanced system can listen for commands while speaking, and there's no need to wait for the system to finish speaking before saying your command.
Starbucks Coffee.
Start guidance. The pinch and drag gesture gives you a 360-degree rotational view around the vehicle for difficult-to-see objects or people. Press the P parking button located on the center console to enter the top view mode and activate the cameras. Bring your two fingers, thumb and index, towards the screen and pinch, as if you were grabbing the image. Your pinched fingers should make an oval shape. The camera is looking from the top down to detect this shape from both driver's side and passenger side. Next, drag your hand across the screen to the left or the right. Open your fingers and repeat the pinch to move the car again, or slide back with pinched fingers to spin in reverse. You can store your favorite satellite radio channel, FM station, or AM station into the Presets menu. Presets is the first entry that appears under the main Media Radio menu. To add a satellite radio channel or FM/AM station to the preset list, first select the channel by pressing it once. Press down on the controller again to save it to your presets list. A check mark will appear on the right side of the channel name, indicating the channel is saved in presets. You also have the option to assign the preset list to one of your functional bookmarks. First, highlight the preset list and then press and hold one of the functional bookmarks to save. Now, anytime you press this bookmark, the preset list will appear. Both the iDrive touch controller and the touchscreen keyboard can be used to enter input fields for a navigation destination, contact, search, or telephone number. To spell out a word using the controller touchpad, draw each letter with your finger until recognized, or highlight the letter on the speller by turning the controller and pressing down to select. When you're in the controller speller, the display will automatically switch to the keyboard speller as soon as your finger gets within 3 inches of the screen or when you touch the screen. To go back to the controller speller display, simply touch or turn the controller. Anytime you're selecting menus using the touchscreen, the keyboard speller will automatically display when an input field is required. Be aware that for safety reasons, the keyboard speller is locked while driving. However, letters can still be entered using the controller speller, either by turning the controller or by drawing letters on its surface. The BMW navigation system allows you to enter your destination by using an address or points of interest search. This can be done through the iDrive system or through iSpeech. To start guidance using iSpeech, press the iSpeech button on the steering wheel and say, "Take me to," "I want to go to," or "Where is the nearest?" Where is the nearest Starbucks?
Starbucks Coffee, Woodcliff Lake, Chestnut Ridge Road 520.
When entering a point of interest, suggestions will be listed based on the distance from your location. Select your choice and navigation will begin.
Say yes or select another entry from the list.
Yes. You can also enter an address or call up a previous destination through the navigation menu. From the main menu, select Navigation, enter New Destination, then Quick Search. Use Quick Search to find a place, keyword, or category. Quick Search can also be accessed from any menu by pressing the Nav button on the iDrive controller. The 7-inch Samsung Touch Command tablet has integrated storage and charging in the rear center console. To turn the tablet on or off, press the power button. To eject it from the storage center, press the eject button and gently remove it with your hands. It can be used to control comfort and entertainment functions and to view driving information. It's recommended that you always return the command tablet to the integrated storage to prevent damage and for automatic charging of the device. Use the visual guide to insert it correctly. The wake-up button should align here. Once in the correct position, it will be locked automatically. And charging occurs anytime the command tablet is locked in the integrated storage if the vehicle is on, regardless if the device is powered on or off. And it's recommended that you turn the device off before leaving the vehicle. The wireless charging pocket in the center console stores your phone or display key while charging it without the need for a cable. The pocket is scratch-free and has been designed with a mechanical hinge, which allows it to fit phones of different sizes, both with or without cases. To expand the pocket for larger phones or phones with large cases, pull the hinges out from the bottom. To make the area tighter for a smaller phone, push the hinges in from the bottom. Once you slide the phone into the pocket, a blue LED light will illuminate, indicating that charging has begun. Certain Android phones are compatible for wireless charging. iPhone users and older Android phones can purchase an accessory for easy compatibility. And you can configure the iDrive to send you an alert if your phone is in the charging pocket at the time the ignition is turned off. To set this reminder, go to My Vehicle, System Settings, Wireless Charging Tray, and check the box next to Forgotten Cell Phone Alert. The key in all compatible phones can also be charged via the USB port. Entertainment screens are located in the rear and allow passengers to view audio and video media, driving information, visual seat adjustments, and to stream contents from external devices. You can comfortably control all of these comfort and entertainment features using the 7-inch Samsung touchscreen command tablet. Menus include interior lighting, sun protection, seat adjustments and vitality program, climate functions, media radio, driving information, and device settings. Tablet storage and charging is integrated into the rear center console. Comfort Access is a feature that allows you to lock and unlock the vehicle as well as close the windows without having to physically press buttons on the display key or key fob. For Comfort Access to work, you simply need to have the key on your person. The vehicle will automatically detect the key when it's within range. To unlock a front door, simply grasp either door handle. To lock a door, press this area on the door handle with your finger for about 1 second. Additionally, when you press and hold it down, the doors will lock and any open windows will close, along with the panoramic glass roof. The trunk can be opened or closed by kicking your foot under the rear bumper. From outside the vehicle, the trunk can be opened by pressing the trunk button on the display key for 2 seconds or by kicking your foot under the rear bumper. The Smart Opener range is located under the bumper between the tailpipes. To close the trunk from outside the vehicle, you can press the Close Trunk button on the trunk lid or use the Smart Closer by kicking your foot under the bumper. For safety reasons, you cannot close the trunk using the key display. To open the trunk from inside the vehicle, press this button located on the driver's door. To close the trunk, pull and hold until the trunk is fully closed. If you release the button before the trunk is fully closed, the motion will stop.
In the exterior design of the 7 Series, we try to achieve a lot of effect with the minimum amount of elements. Design for a luxury object is about what you put in, but it is definitely also about what you leave off. So in the exterior design of the 7, there's really only 2 key lines, and everything else happens between those lines in the surfaces. For us, it was important in this design project that our designers see a little bit of the world and see this type of car, a 7 Series, in its